When test bakes seem successful, you expect repeatability with the same ingredients. You standardize and order from trusted suppliers. These suppliers ship in from across the country, ready for processing. And then it happens. Your test bake fails. You try again with another trusted supplier, but again an inconsistent test bake. Back to the ingredient ordering and receiving process, yielding another non-compliant batch. Your suppliers tell you it's the weather affecting the harvest and crops. But you know there has to be a better way to check incoming ingredients. You decide to standardize on using the Doughlab. Your suppliers can check the ingredient quality before shipping to you. So no matter the origin, you now know your incoming ingredient is consistent, and your suppliers are relieved to have their product approved. At last, your test bakes are consistent, all thanks to Perkinelmer's Doughlab.